Around you were,
especially high round counts. So the friction of chambering around doesn't overcome the force of the bolt. But I can't overstate how brutal our treatment shutdown was. In 1.5 days, that was 2 morning sessions and an afternoon session. We ran 1,100 through this gun back to back to back to back.
ฮิตคนอยากจะเป็นฮอลิเดย์วะหรือว่าที่ทาสิฮิตในเสียมองกิเตนะบัวสุดเจ้ามีด้วยเจ็บเล่งน้ำตกเนาะก็หมออมเนี่ยแล้วก็Ziouv thì mồ ôm như thảo giờ thảo mồ ôm như siêu hồ tăng lên từ thảo mồ ôm á thì tao sẽ mặc cái quần như cái năm tao nó mặc quần tại coi tôi mua liệu mà ngoài khu nha sống cây tàu làm nhô rồi đó bên xuất cái nhiều bên đó làm câu mai chủ suy nhé mai màu gì để tìm về Ziouv bought to me
Steve Harvey show, you heard it.
màu ôm với cuốn điện ở xuất xuống
It shows
điều điện nó biểu gì nha điều cuốn điện ở xuất xuống thì có xoắn nhẹ điện xoắn biểu có mấy màu ôm nó đi nhà mấy làm gì đó điện mấy xuất xuống nó làm gì ta sẽ xuất xuống nó nhỏ mà ta tổ có nằm nó choang nó biểu giang nó choang thì nó biểu giang nó được không nào nó lại gì
specifically for Second Amendment
giúp
zone.
gì lo thả lạc cái đó là
Logo and manufacturing information on the slide. The register file is the fire control unit. So you can take this out and put it into any other system that you want, whether it's a full size like the X5 or something compact.
Those X5 exchange kits.
Yep, and just
Great for that to use.
drop that in and seal the full, and then you do what you want with those. The pricing on this is going to be $13.50.
About $13.50.
$13.50.
Try to lower it, but that's what we're going to be starting out with it.
That's MSRP. Where it's going to be sold, luckily, since this is on the California handgun roster, you guys are no longer limited to finding gun stores that are willing to accept a single-shot exempt pistol. This gun is on the roster. The state of California explicitly says this gun is legal and legal to buy for the average citizen. So while the roster is unfortunate that it exists, and I'm currently involved in some lawsuits, that's actually why I'm down here in SoCal today, to challenge that. You just use the cheapest to just get something out there for a lower price. These guns have to survive quite a rigorous drug testing, and they need to be able to ensure that they can get these parts from the same manufacturer in the same exact configuration, made the same way, in perpetuity. Otherwise, like was very happy to have this be another option to get their products in the hands of Californians. So no worries about licensing or anything like that. They get sued because they're selling these guns. SIG is very happy with this. We're happy with this. It's safe. So if you are in the area, check out Second Zone. If you are not,
Đó thì phụ trên tiêu đó bạc chứ nè.
Oh yeah. And my vehicle was replaced for me at no extra cost. And I just had to jump through a bunch of hoops.
Are you trying to find a spot?
We're supposed to stay right there.
Let me take it.
Yeah.
Analysis and practical psychology.
Up was the idea là
Television shows all over the world. This
was the
week,
idea
they're
was
one of the most topics
up
in
some
Disney
that I'm
Channel.
not put.
So just last week, actor and comedian Cat Williams did an interview with the conversation on the channel, and it instantly went viral. Within days, it had tens of millions of views, and everyone on the set was talking about it. The reason the interview got that much attention is because Cat made some really shocking claims about some of the top celebrities in the
Đi
world,
xem tại
including Kevin Hart, Steve Harvey, Cedric the Entertainer, and many, many more. Shortly after the interview aired, some of the individuals that he called out publicly responded to some of the things he said. And in
Với thọ to ta luôn to đây hạt điều to thành ra ta
Why is only recording?
nó bắt tay nó chèn bạt tí nhé.
Other people looked at us. I'm gonna leave the door open for you.
Được chứ mày thì áp chứ mày. Hi Evan. Tao phun qua phun hiểu cao lai. Có diện đâu bạn đâu lắm. Diện đâu bạn. Ta về bót cho nên mình. Khi lại xin ô. Nè đây dạo này. Nè toàn. Nguyên hình. Nè cho stream. Tao ý hình san hình tao. Alexander. Easy no longer over here. Okay, lại xin ta với chịu chân quen tiêu lo hay. Thật ra tay dần bữa nhất tiêu to phụ tiêu dẻ mà chết ổn nó bữa nhất chân.
You didn't post them. These will pay. You pass the others on.
You want the extra throw?
I just bring the lure.
No, it's the weight.
I just tried to get one of these ones. No. I'm trying to get this one. I'm trying to get this one.
Ôi nhá ra rồi nhạc nổ á. Nó bịa tốt nó hết rồi. Hey, you guys, don't go in the water. Don't go in the water. Don't matter. Come up.
Why is he recording? No cool.
Làm đồ trên này. Đồ trên nó này em chú lao thì em đồ nó tăng đút nữa. Quá tiêu to. số biểu vào tài khoản chứ này.
Ôm nhang cái lỗ mà quên tôi lọt hết rồi. Hả?
Oh, dang, that's deeper. We're deeper now. Can I throw one?
No, I throw it. What is? You don't throw far enough. You throw it.
Anh xem phát tế xa, thì chỉ thao đi. Ồ,
Oh, I can throw one.
What is this? You can't throw it.
Did you give me one?
This is yours.
Oh, that's mine. That's mine. Did I get one? I don't know. That's probably mine. That's how mine's small. Unga,
You're getting one.
that one mine?
yeah, no, you are up there.
Yours up there. Probably like a guitar, bro. Bro, how do I get there? Oh, yeah. I don't like going on. Oh, we're steep up, bro. What is that? We're
Anh là
steep
muốn
up.
đốt chỗ ra mà phẳng.
That's paint. Let me try to grab the rock. Look, as you, let me grab this rock. You kicked it down. Jim. If I just throw it on that, go. Go get. Bro, it's a heart. Come here. Give me, bro.
You guys gonna fall, man. You're gonna fall. Get hurt.
Oh. I'm trying to grab this, Jim. Oh, dang. Look what I did. It's on a rock. It's on that enormous boy. Oh, there's supposed to be a surprise. I'm grabbing all these rocks.
Cha, nè, cha.
Oh! It's hard to get up. Let me catch one. Can you give me a bear?
Come get it. Go get it.
I'm gonna get the rocking chair.
Tao tiếp một số nó hay khoảng chào.
I grab rock. Dad, can you get the rocking chair for me?
You didn't get it.
I can't. There's nothing in the way.
You have to get it. I can't reach inside.
Hey, I'm trying to grab this rock. It's heck hard. Evan, do you know how to catch a big fish? How? When it bites, you're gonna roll in and you're gonna pull, roll in, pull, roll in, pull, roll in, pull. Then you're gonna whack it. Whack it? Yeah, like.
No, you ain't.
Yes, that's how you do it. So I catch big fish. How do you know? YouTube.
You can't Evan now.
Professional fisherman. He's got a big gun. I need a rocking chair. I need a rocking chair. It's moving. It's moving. Hello, Toby. What's the bell? Yeah. Why is my dad so big and mine so small? Because you're a little guy. My dad's flexing. Try to find a rock that I would like. Meow, meow. Meow. Wow, wow, wow.
Thế tao với chiều mày mình quẹn không mày? Anh trên là đang phang gì? Ô ní, để bây giờ sai để bây biểu, giờ này ní, này giờ bên striper nó có nhổ, cái diên nhổ nó là cần nhổ cái diên thế đấy, mà tế cần nhổ hết lọ mà to rồi, striper phiên hăng này, mà giàng hả? Okay, let's see. Nói chịu ha mi, thì tao chỉ phao chia mình hết rồi chia, tao chỉ nói phao chia, tao thì can phao chia hết rồi chia. Đâu ha tì vô ha, tại chỉ nói tì này, cái lồng đó này, như thì can lồng trên đây, thì giờ tôi không chỉมีlồng đâu. เราจะได้เหลือเฮ็ดเจนลิงแล้วตอนนี้เนี่ยน่าหายบุ้ยขั่วปูใช่ไหม
Well, I remember how to throw. I know how to throw. You need to put food on it.
ตาจะได้มาถ้าตอนมี花椒也มีสิวตั้งที่花马ตั้งนี้ giờ này thiếu chứ tay hoa rồi cái đuôi như tay ở từ này như cây như này bây giờ nhà nó tới bắp tan tới củ nhẹ giảm dừa hao hiểu chứ ta dền chứ ta phải shot tại hoa bọc tại hoa